Well, it's morning here in Eagle Plains. Making myself some Yukon goulash. It's just oatmeal. A mix of maple brown sugar and peaches and cream. Pulled in late last night. Found the campground, got set up. I'm walking on what I assume to be a small game trail. The animals that come to the campsite to feast on food left behind by campers, perhaps. Look at all the trees. They're all real gnarly. A real dark bark on them. The pine needles are really small and the branches are real thick. Pretty remote wilderness out here. The Eagle Plains is not really a town, it's a lodge. It's like a hotel, a campground, I guess, a gas place. We're gonna have to fuel up there. All our fuel's gone, including our spare fuel. I'm lost. Great. Holy shoot, see that? That was a rabbit. Told you there was a game trail here. And once again, I'm not wearing this shirt because I've got like 8 layers on. Yesterday we left Dawson City and we did about 370, 400 kilometers to Eagle Plains, right about there. Today, we arrive in the Arctic Circle in the Northwest Territories, and we'll probably do 200 to 300 kilometers today, give or take, depending on the rain and the road and every other condition. Time to head out and put some more miles on.
If you're planning on driving to the Dempster on a motorcycle, it is 100% guaranteed you're going to need to fill up here at Eagle Plains. It took us 414 kilometers from Dawson City to here. It's $2.50 a liter, not a problem. That's not bad for it here. I'm not going to bother filling the gas splatters up because Fort McPherson, which is our next stop, is 180 some kilometers, he said. So no problem on the range for that. Well, the rain has stopped. Hopefully today we're going to have more weather like we did yesterday, where it was basically rain for a few minutes and then sun came out for the majority of it, and then it would rain for 5 minutes and then it would be sunny. It's a balmy 7 degrees Celsius. I have my rain suit on over my gear, and that helps cut a lot of the wind, so the heated grips are a nice, they're always on. Not much for trees up here. They don't look too healthy, those ones. This highway is actually an airstrip as well. So watch out for planes landing on highway. There. Got some heat in the old jacket going. It's 8 degrees right now and it gets cold. This stretch of the road is way nicer. Seeing 80, 90 kilometers an hour. Actually doing the speed limit. It's always prudent to slow down for these big trucks. Looks like he slowed down too, which is kind of nice. The mountains have a real dark hue over there. Almost like they're black and yellow. You get into an open area like this, you just want to feel like you can just spread your wings and fly. Well, folks, I believe we are about to exit the Yukon. Here we are at the Northwest Territories, the final frontier of our trip. And one final thing must be done. Oh no, we lost the S. There, we fixed it. We're really fortunate to be getting sun again because it was calling for overcast the whole day. Look how the road just winds up into those mountains. can you not make a comment about this? We just got to the top and we're in a cloud. And the roads here are a mess. This is slime. And judging from the look of that road, it's probably always misty up here and wet. CF Abram Francis Ferry. They work until, oh boys, 12:45 a.m. Pick our spot! Thank you. All right. Fort McPherson is probably 10 kilometers from here. Everyone's got these big German shepherds. And some of them just run out at you and attack. But Charlie, he's good. Charlie's cool, see? That must be the school. All right, we found a co-op. Look how it's all built on stilts. Because of the permafrost, I imagine. So this is called Collins Cafe. Quaint little spot. I'm gonna get myself a bacon cheeseburger and fries.
There you go, son.
Oh, thank you.
Bacon cheeseburger time. I was dreaming about these fries for the past like 3 hours.
Apparently because of the permafrost, they can't actually dig down in, so they're above ground graveyards. Very interesting. Back to riding on this pea gravel, which is akin to riding on marbles. The tundra here, not much to see, just kind of flat. Hello. This is not the ferry to go there, is it?
It does go both places.
This one does? Yeah. Oh, okay. So this is the Mackenzie River we're crossing. And after the St. Lawrence Seaway, this has the highest volume of water that goes out to the ocean. Apparently, about 100 feet out of there, the water is 200 feet deep. Very, very deep river. Well, we're on the other side again. That's 2 ferry crossings in one day. Well, it says here, Inuvik, 126 kilometers. Tuk is 277. So no matter where we stop today, Tuktoyaktuk is within our reach tomorrow. This is the Vadzia Van Schik Territorial Campground. This looks like a nice little spot. Right by a rushing river. Let's go take a peek, see what we got in this river. See if there's anything picture worthy. Huh? That makes a nice video. I've got the tent already put up. Because of the moisture that was permeating the air this morning, things got a little moist. It was raining. And so some of our stuff was wet. So I've basically set this up to air out. Because we got extra sunlight here, we're gonna be cooking up a feast. Chicken fried rice, flakes of chicken. It's gonna be a good time. Tap that off, let it boil. And this is what's gonna be for dessert. Dark chocolate cheesecake mix. Either way, it's gonna be an experiment. Now we add the flakes of chicken. Break it all up. This is the kind of meal you eat right out of the pot. Before indulging in dessert, I feel that one should wash the dishes first. Wilderness wash, biodegradable. I like to get the work out of the way before the fun stuff.
All right, we're losing some sun fast, so we're gonna make this. Instructions stay, remove and discard oxygen absorber. This, chocolate crumb packet, check. Add 2/3 cup of water or 160 ml cold water to filling this. Beat briskly for 2 minutes. Put that in there. I don't know how you're supposed to beat this without getting chocolate powder everywhere, which is basically a big flag saying, hey bears, come check us out after. Now we let it set. And the cook gets to lick the spoon. This has been slowly cold brewing here in this bag. It's got a real battery feel to it still. Cheesecake is not supposed to be hard like a cake, I guess. It is supposed to be kind of a spongy, soft consistency. Kind of a crumbly Oreo cookie type texture. 300 calories for one serving, which is half the containers. This is a 600 calorie lifesaver. All right, moment of truth. Was this worth $8.99 Canadian? It most definitely was. This is actually amazing. Oh my goodness. I am not sponsored by Backpackers Pantry whatsoever. I rather dislike their meal food. I'm just gonna go over here. No, I don't got nothing, guys. Nothing to see. Whew. It's cold enough you can see your breath right now. We're gonna call it a night. Today's been a long day, eventful. Put a lot of miles on the gravel road. Tomorrow is going to be the Arctic Ocean.